welcome to the Disney Stranger Channel. My name's Disney, and today we're going back in time to 2019 Hollywood Studios. We're going to venture through Toy Story Land and ride Slinky Dog Dash. This will be a POV with the Disney Stranger, Kay, Elle, Davey, and me. So let's fire up that Disney Stranger time machine. How long is the line?
How long's the line for what?
For the Slinky Dog Dash.
Is that where you're going now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Are you excited to go on Slinky Dog Dash?
Yes.
How many times have you been on so far?
0.
0. How many times you been on? 0. How many times you been on Slinky Dog Dash?
Once.
Once?
Yeah.
We have a one-timer here.
Hi. Let's have some fun.
Cody, is it worth going on?
Definitely.
Definitely.
Without a doubt.
Without a doubt?
Yeah.
We're ready for the Slinky Dog Dash. Ready for Slinky?
Yes.
Slinky time.
Yeah.
We got Slinky time.
Bienvenidos a Slinky Dog Dash. Por favor, permanezcan sentados con las...
Hey guys, you ready?
Yeah.
Slinky Dog.
Please keep your hands behind the gates. Please keep your hands behind the gates.
Oh no, you have fast pass. I'm not sure.
Everybody ready?
Yeah. This is gonna be the best Disney trip ever.
Oh, we're going backwards. Hey guys, did you like it?
Yeah.
You got troubles, and I got them too. There is anything I wouldn't do. We stick together, we can see it. Please stay seated till we come to a complete stop. Then grab your things and step out to your right. So long, pals.
So long, pals. So what'd you think?
It was incredible. Whew.
That was amazing.
That is
It was what?
Amazing.
It was what?
It was fun. She said it wasn't worth the wait. For real?
Not worth the wait?
It
No?
wasn't the thrillingest ride.
Oh, come on.
I mean, I could see where you say that.
Yeah, but like could tell so.
Come on, Kay.
But I mean, I don't understand how you think that.
I don't know. It's just too smooth.
But sometimes more smoothness is better than bumpiness.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's super smooth. I rather do super smooth. I prefer super smooth, and this ride was one of the smoothest coasters. This is pretty good. All right, we're at the end of the night here at Toy Story at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We all had a great time on the rides here. And what was your favorite ride?
Slinky Dog Dash.
And your favorite ride?
Slinky Dog Dash.
And your favorite ride? And your favorite ride?
Slinky Dog Dash.
We have the consensus. It's Slinky Dog Dash. This is the best ride here at Toy Story Land. Everyone have a great night. And please,
Don't forget to walk forward.
Thanks for joining us on our adventure. I appreciate you guys for stopping by and checking out this Disney Strangers Time Machine video on Slinky Dog Dash. I was there, so I had a great time. And it's weird reliving it. And if you liked me, check me out on Journey into Our Imagination. And I have a great video on the smaller creators in the Disney community. Subscribe! And don't forget to keep imagining.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.